ZANU-PF Msangano Haslemandu. The people have spoken. You yourself said, if the people say I must step down, you shall comply. This is the time to comply. Because the voice of the people is the voice of God. Today, we are witnessing the beginning of a new unfolding democracy for our country. I pledge no one is more important than the other. We are all Zimbabweans. We want to grow our economy. We want peace in our country. We want jobs in our country. We need also the cooperation of our neighbors in SADC. We need the cooperation of the continent of Africa. We need the cooperation of our friends outside the continent. That we shall achieve. I'm already receiving messages of cooperation and support for us to grow our economy. Anenge vachingokura chitima cheZANU-PF chichingoinda. Kubatana, vamberne kubatana, vamberne gwaro msangano, vamberne gwaro msangano. Haslemandu, Haslemandu.